In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Zoom connected to one of your Monday boards, and you'll be ready to start using automation recipes that tie your meetings directly into your workflows. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you already have a board set up where you want Zoom data to appear. This could be a meetings board, a sales pipeline, a projects board, or any space where you track calls and follow-ups. Having that context in mind before you start will make the setup feel more intentional and organized. Go ahead and open the board you want to connect. Once the board is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see several icons. Look for the one that looks like a little plug. That's the Integrations button. Click that to open the Integration Center for this specific board. Inside the Integrations view, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type the word Zoom. This filters all available integrations and brings up the Zoom app so you don't have to scroll through a long list of tools. When you see Zoom appear in the results, click on it. This will open the Zoom integration page within Monday.com, where you can see different automation recipes. These recipes are pre-built rules that describe how Monday and Zoom will talk to each other. For example, you might see something like, when a meeting is scheduled, create an item, or when a meeting ends, update an item with the recording link. Take a moment to read through the available recipes and decide which one best fits your use case. If you're just getting started, a good option is a recipe that creates or updates items whenever a new Zoom meeting is scheduled or completed. Once you've chosen the recipe you want to use, click on it to begin setting it up. At this point, Monday.com will prompt you to connect your Zoom account. Click the Connect button. A new window will open, asking you to log into Zoom if you aren't already. Enter your Zoom credentials in that secure Zoom window, then follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Zoom and Monday.com. After you authorize, you'll be taken back to Monday.com, where your chosen Zoom recipe will now be active and ready for you to configure and use.